Do you have outstanding maths and science grades? Would you love to combine your interest in animals and medicine? Do you have the ability to communicate in a way that is easy to understand, especially in emotional circumstances? Have you a head for business? If you have answered yes to these questions, then the occupation of veterinarian might be for you. Veterinarians, usually known as vets, work to safeguard the health and welfare of animals. The treatment vets provide for animals is similar to the service a doctor provides to people. Vets who work in private practice are responsible for the medical and surgical treatment of a variety of animals, including companion animals, livestock, as well as wildlife. These professionals work to prevent disease in animals as well as the spread of diseases should an outbreak occur. There are mixed practices, including those which specialize in a group of animals such as small animals, horses, food-producing animals, and wildlife. The type of practice often depends on the vet's interest and specialization, as well as their choice urban or rural location. Vets use their knowledge of animal physiology, nutrition, and medicine, as well as their practical skills to diagnose illnesses, perform surgery, and prescribe medications. Vets use a variety of specialist medical equipment and surgical tools to diagnose injuries and diseases in animals. These tools include X-ray and ultrasound machines. Vets who work in private practice have the added responsibility of managing their practice finances, promoting the practice to potential clients, and recruiting veterinary nurses and other staff. Veterinary practice can sometimes be psychologically stressful, as vets deal not only with sick animals, but with the animals' anxious owners as well. Although most veterinarians work in private clinics and hospitals, others work for animal shelters and NGOs, for medical and pharmaceutical research laboratories, or for government agencies. Vets who work in food safety and inspection must travel to farms and abattoirs to do health inspections. Those working on farms, in abattoirs, or with wildlife can also find the job physically demanding. Vets risk being bitten, scratched, and kicked when working with animals that are frightened or in pain. Veterinarians often work long hours. Some work nights or weekends, as they may have to respond to veterinary emergencies outside work hours. To become a vet, an accredited degree in veterinary science will be required. The South African Veterinary Council, or SAVC for short, is the statutory body that regulates the veterinary profession in South Africa. Any vet practicing in South Africa needs to be registered with the SAVC. Many newly graduated vets are employed by private practices while they gain experience. Eventually, the vet may be given the opportunity to buy into the practice or may leave to set up their own practice. Locum work is often possible. Some vets choose to specialize in a particular area of veterinary work. They can do this by joining a practice known for expertise in a particular field, such as equine surgery or dermatology. Further qualifications may be required for certain specializations. Given the training they receive, veterinarians are highly qualified for non-traditional industry positions in fields such as disease control, public health, corporate sales, and population studies.